Yep, we're ready.
1, 2, 3.
There she goes. Woo! Good job.
I do another.
All right. I mean, you're like the best climber and slider there is there, girl. Oh, look at her. She's climbing up them things there. Like a little champion.
Ready?
Yeah, we're ready. Okay. 1.
Face on my knees.
Good job. Woo! Whoa! Ha! All right. Good job.
It was slow motion going on there, wasn't it?
Yeah, look at her. Yeah. All right, we got another round coming here. The little daredevil Sophia at it again. I just wanted to tell you, Sophia, I love you very much. And you're my best friend. Okay. Woo! Yeah! Good job. Good job.
I like that little bow there.
All right, until the next episode.